Hi, this is Zach, and I'm going to show you the new multimeter from E-Tech City, the Unity UT33D. It's a great little inexpensive multimeter. Fits right in the palm of your hand-ish. It's got a backlight, which is going to be handy. I use that quite a bit with being under dashes and inside the trunks where it's real dark. It's nice to be able to see what you're testing. Some of the features that I use mostly on this multimeter, it's going to be the voltage. That is going to be by far the most popular one I use. I check power to amplifiers and such. Put the test probe in the positive and the negative. And here we can see we've got voltage, we're a little low. Then over to the remote turn on, which we're also getting voltage, and the amplifier is on. The thing I use a lot is going to be the impedance testing. So we'll put it to the ohms. Right there. I'll disconnect this subwoofer wire here. We'll test it. And we're reading about 2.2, which is correct. Also use a lot of continuity testing, and basically that's just going to give you a nice little beep anytime that the two leads make contact. For example, we can use a subwoofer for that as well, because it does have a voice coil. So there we know the voice coil is intact. Another thing that I'll use the multimeter for is when this is plugged back in here, we put our setting back onto voltage, and we can actually put that in with the output from the amplifier going to the subwoofer as well. And then I would play a 50 Hertz test tone for the subwoofer, and then adjust the gain up, which will change the voltage. The voltage, you can take that number, and with a little bit of math you'll be able to figure out the exact power in wattage going out to the subwoofer, which makes setting up amplifiers to match the speakers extremely easy and very quick and done correctly, which is important. All in all, it's a great multimeter for the price. It'll do everything that you need it to, especially if you're just messing around with some car stereo stuff on your free time. Obviously it'll do much more, but that's what I mainly use it for. Great unit, and I recommend it highly.